I'm devastated personally. I've seen this in the news, yeah. But until I got here, I never realized the serious suffering that the people are having, both in terms of the immediate aftermath of the floods, but even the subsequent impact of the demolitions, which we see on the TV. And some of us see it very lightly, but it's really unbelievable. Until you come and see what is happening here, you will not understand. So for me, my heart goes out to the people here. But this is a learning of what we must not do into the future.
We are very appreciative, and we are saying thank you, and we say long live Faro Foundation, and we also thank for coming with the children of Tender Junior Academy. We also in solidarity to support children.